Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to use your iPhone or Android device as a dedicated microphone on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So ang gagawin natin ay dapat mayroon tayong physical keyboard, audio extension cable. So makikita nyo dito sa image natin mga kaibigan na mayroon tayong cable, and then i-connect mo lang dito sa ating mobile device, and then i-connect mo lang dito sa ating computer. So once na i-connect mo na siya, and then next step natin gagawin, dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step dito lang sa taas, i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung sounds. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong kanyang sound settings. So ang next step dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang select dito yung recordings. And then dito sa recordings ay pwede ka nang mag-select dito ng device. So select a recording device below to modify its settings. So makikita nyo dito mga kaibigan na mayroon tayong connected sa ating mobile phone. Okay, so ang gagawin mo lang, so select mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong enable, or pwede mo itong set as default device or set as default communication device. And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple. Okay? And then next ay pwede mo na itong gamitin. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to use phone as dedicated microphone on PC. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.